Employee profile addition in Zoho People. To add a new employee profile, we first need to navigate to settings, and under settings, click on manage accounts, and there we have the user section. Under users, you can see employee profiles. So click on the add employee profile button to create a new employee profile. So you'll have to enter the basic information like the employee ID, first name, last name, and the email address. However, providing email address is not mandatory because employee profiles are not going to have login access to the system, so it's not mandatory for you to enter the email address. So you can mention the employee ID. The employee ID that you give here should be unique. And then the first name. And then comes the last name. In case if there is an email ID associated with the employee profile, you can mention the same. So once all the information is updated, click on create. So now the employee profile is successfully added into the system. The next step is to update the user data. So you can either update the information now or you can do it later. However, the mandatory information in the employee form has to be updated. So we'll just update the mandatory fields before clicking on the finish button. So now the employee profile record is successfully created. This is one method on how you can create an employee profile. What if you want to add employee profiles in bulk? We do have an import option where you can add employee profiles in bulk. So in order to import, there is a button called import. Just click on it. So you will be able to download a sample template. So the supported formats are XLS, CSV and XLSX format. And the maximum file size supported is 5 MB. Or you can simply download a sample template, fill in all the information, and once done, you can upload the file over here. So this is a way of importing employee profiles in bulk. So now the employee profiles are added into the system. There is one more option that is provided by the system, which is you can also convert the employee profile into a user. In future, if you're going to convert an employee profile into a user so that they can log into Zoho People and use the system. If that is the case, right next to the employee profile name, on the right side, under Actions, you see this button called Migrate to Employee. So when you click on Migrate to Employee, you will be asked to enter the email address because you are converting them to a user, which means they need an email ID to log into the system. So you will have to provide a valid email address here, and once the email address is provided, you can click on Create. So now the employee profile is converted to a user. This works the other way around as well. That is, you can also convert a user to an employee profile. So you can click on the user section and again right next to the user name towards the right, under Actions, you see this option called Convert to Employee Profile. So at any point, you can convert a user to employee profile and an employee profile to user. So this is about employee profile management in Zoho People.